Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing a summer zine that I've created for all of my Happy Mail for at least for June, because this thing, it does coordinate really well with my June stash, seeing as I used my June stash to create it. But this zine is really fun and bright and summery and happy, and I really love how it turned out. I have made zines before here on my channel, but I have created them in a mini size so that they would fit into pocket letter pockets. This one is not quite that small. This one just uses a standard size of copy paper. So you can create this size if you want, or if you want to make even smaller ones to put into your pocket letters and Happy Mail. Again, I will link my previous zine videos down below. They're super easy. If you want a step-by-step, like slowed down tutorial, my friend Sabrina Ann has a really great one, and I will link that down below too. And while you're over there at her channel, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. You will not regret it, I promise. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my panels. So I had pre-cut some little, I guess, pattern paper panels to put onto my zine base. And you guys know I like to work on the panels sometimes separately, so that's what I'm doing here. And I am using some donut thickers. These are super cute, but I did not like how the brown was looking. And I did want to remember really quick to mention to you guys that these donut thickers actually go with the Amy Tangerine On a Whim collection. I just totally spaced and did not put them in my stash video for some reason, but I did throw them in there afterwards, so I am trying to use them up as well. For this panel, I wanted to create like a little hello selfie page, so I printed out a tiny little photo and cut it down to look like a little Instax thing. And can we all just like take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the Snapchat filter, because you guys, it's a lifesaver, right? Yeah, so anyway, this little panel is just about done. I'm just trying to use up some of these stickers on here. But I love layering washi, and you guys know I love to put all the things on my things, so no surprises there. I thought this little die cut card was really cute. There's room for journaling, so I'm going to turn it into a currently little page in my book. And these stamps are from the Ink Road. They're really cute, and I'm just gonna lay them all out and do one big stamp all at once because I'm lazy and I didn't feel like getting my fingers all inky and stuff. And I love that it says hey hey on the top. It's so funny because while I was working on this mini zine, I was listening to the Moana soundtrack, and it just made me smile because it says hey hey. And hey hey is ridiculous, as we all know, if you've seen the movie. No spoilers or anything if you haven't, but if you have not seen Moana, oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. I don't know, maybe I've talked about it here on my channel before. I feel like maybe I have, but that movie makes me cry every single time. There's something about the grandma in it. It breaks me down. I don't know why. It's so funny. I think it's hilarious that I just like lose my mind when the grandma comes on. It's ridiculous. But the music is so good. I love that the rock sings. Like, I dig it so much, and it's so catchy, right? So Moana is definitely one of my favorite animated Disney movies. My favorites used to be Mulan and Beauty and the Beast, and they still are at the very top, but dang if Moana does not give them a run for their money, right? It's so good. I love it so much. Yeah, speaking of ocean movies, isn't that picture of the ocean so beautiful? It's not mine. I totally Google lifted it. I don't know who took it. There wasn't a thing on there. But I did want to include a picture of the coast because this little spread, this 2 pages right here, is going to be about something I want to do during the summertime. So yeah, so I'm going to write that in here in just a moment. Here I'm layering up some stickers, some more washi, because you guys know it's what I do. I love me some washi, and I'm trying to use up a bunch this month. There's like a lot of rolls of washi I have to work with. It's a little overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm trying, you know? Oh, how cute is that little like pineapple sticker, right? Some of the stickers in this collection are white on clear, which confuses me, but I'm trying to use them up. At this point, it's time to start adhering the panels to my zine base. You will notice some extra stickers and some little jemmies on there. I did that off camera just because it took me forever, and this video would have been super duper long and or had a ton of editing, and I just wasn't about that. I wanted to get this thing up so you guys could enjoy it. and hopefully be inspired to make your own zines. So if you are inspired and you do make one, and you take a picture or do a video or something, make sure you tag me because I want to see your zines. That would be so much fun. Oh, please do that, okay? But anyway, you can see that I've numbered my zine base so that I can keep track of which pages need to go where. There I wrote about the hiking trip I want to do. I want to go hiking along the coast during the summer. I think that'd be so amazing, right? So beautiful. So this is the finished zine base, and then off camera again, I scanned it into my printer and I printed it off. I did the highest quality I think photo print settings, but just on regular copy paper, so that way I could get like the nice vibrant color. I did try to do like just the regular print settings on regular paper, but it turned out not very nice. So if you guys want to try doing a higher quality, I definitely recommend it. But anyway, once your zine is all printed off and refolded like the original base was, you just cut it and then kind of refold and score, and then your zine is done, and you just repeat that for all of the copies that you made. And here in a second, I'm going to show you a close-up. I think it turned out super cute. But anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this zine creation. Let me know down below if you make your own. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!